Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I got some yarn. If my toddler starts making a lot of noise, then like that, I'm gonna just do a voiceover. So if the video cuts out, that's why. Either way, I got some yarn from Micheals. I got 2 bags.
So hey, what's going on, guys? You already know, it's part of my beauty crochet. Today we got some yarn coming in. So we got this yarn order from Micheals. We're not sponsored or nothing, but Micheals, if you want to sponsor us, sponsor us. You're in the vibes. First I got this yarn right here. It looks like it's white, nice and chunky. Then we got this other color. Man, I don't know if it's tan, sablam, bam, 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 but it looks good. That's it. The quality of yarn looks really good. That's the most important part. That I had to get the other colors coming in. Micheals had a very wide variety, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna be making a lot of projects. And listen, get your orders in the meantime, But you always gotta get black. Certain colors you always gotta get black, and we gotta get a lot of black. We got a few orders that we have that requires this. Plus, I'm working on, or should I say, she's working on her birthday attire. You know what I'm saying? Got that red. Look how vibrant that red is. Boom, in your face. That's my hand right there. You already know the vibes. Mind your business. I say nah. But yeah. Look how vibrant the yarn is. We want quality, beautiful. Look at that green. She's gonna make me some with that green because green's my favorite color. You heard? But yeah, look at it. We got the yarn winder, so we're gonna make our yarn cakes with all this good stuff. Look at her hair. Oh, but yeah, I think that's a mixed yarn right there with some kind of, is that like pink? Some kind of pink. But look at her hair. Look at her face. Skin looking good. That's why I married her. Yeah, baby. Ooh, yo, Mr. The Gal, go cordial. We can't curse on here, folks. We can't curse on here. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful smile. Yes. I like to be everything. Even the hand is clean. Look at her hand clean. You can see the stack of yarn, stack of array. And we didn't spend too much on this yarn. Micheals really did their thing. You know what I'm saying? They be having, their various sales and stuff like that. Why do I feel like this is a Micheals commercial? But look at the yarn. We're definitely going to create a ton of projects. Please place your orders. Place your orders. Place your orders. Place your orders. We got cardigans. We got scrunchies. We got all that good stuff, folks. I'm telling you. And we're available for consultations, free consultations. That's what we do. I'm saying we, like I'm making it, but I'm the manager. You feel me? Yeah. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I would highly, highly appreciate that. Oh, look at that close up. Look at the skin. Look at her skin. No filters, by the way, young bulos. No filters. Look at her. Yeah. We had to get the full picture, the full view. I want y'all to see what the operation is. As you can see, the little cubby with the other yarn to the side. You know what I'm saying? We keep our yarn separate from everything else. You know what I'm saying? Top quality, top procedure, top technique, just for y'all. Y'all don't know. You see me? Boom, more fire. Anyway, yeah, man. Look at that. Oh, beautiful laugh. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at them teeth. Oh my gosh. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. But yeah, anyway, back to the yarn haul. It's marvelous. Next time we're gonna have to do a bigger haul. You feel me? We'll be going live and all that good stuff, so make sure y'all tune into that too. Look out for the lives. As I said before, please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you do know when she goes live. You feel me?
Okay, guys, yeah. So my husband wanted to do a little takeover for the voiceover. Yeah, so we were just sitting here talking the whole time. That's why I was talking to you guys about some stuff, but I forgot I'm gonna do a voiceover, so it don't even matter what I was saying. Yeah, so I have a big order that I need to do, so that's why I got a lot of black yarn, like he was saying. So yeah, I'm just working on a scarf. I was telling him that I wanted to do it on my central machine, but it was acting silly for some reason. I don't know if it's like dry, the yarn keeps getting caught, but that's what's basically going on. I thank you guys for watching. If you've watched all the way to this point of the video, you're a real one for that, because I know a lot of people don't like watching the videos all the way through, but honestly, it helps push my video out there. YouTube sees that you guys like what I'm doing, or other people should see it too. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, just like my husband said, and put your bell on so that way you can get your notification when I go live, when I post videos and things of that nature. So yeah, maybe once I get some more yarn, I'll do like a organize my yarn wall with me or something like that. Stay tuned for great content. Make sure you don't miss a live, because free tutorials on there. I'm always creating things. So once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and see you back at the next one. Yeah.